It was almost Christmas on the Skarloey Railway. Proteus was taking a slate train to the boulder quarry. She was just leaving the slate quarry, crossing the old iron bridge. During the run, she was very shaky and moving very slow. The trucks kept silent at first. They were approaching Reneus' station. She then climbed up a hill. Going down hills, it was all too rough. They then approached the junction to the boulder quarry. Then a truck derailed. The coupling cable was about to come loose. And then there was trouble. The coupling had snapped. Proteus was then going in full speed. Going up the bridge. Speeding through the countryside. The driver tried to apply the brakes, but because the brakes weren't working so well, it didn't work. Proteus then realized that they were heading towards the old wooden bridge that was broken. The driver tried to apply the brakes even more, desperately trying to make him stop, but it was no use.